Let's do it not hello.
No
so it doesn't do it in Spanish. We're having some issues with our closed captioning. Hi.
Hi.
I'm Natalie.
I'm Tara.
And this is Natalie and Tara Try Stuff. Surprise! We got a suggestion from Blair, I believe.
Yes.
to change our oil. And I originally was offended. Because I was like, why does Blair assume that we don't know how to change our oil? I mean, I know I don't know how to change my oil, but I assumed then Tara did. No. We're you know, 30-something-year-old gals, and we're gonna learn how to change our oil today.
Can we just talk about how scared I am to do this?
Justin uses this, references this YouTuber, Eric the Car Guy. He tells you and shows you how to fix a lot of things. So we found Eric the Car Guy's how to change my oil.
And Eric's awesome. I actually am now a big fan of his channel.
Right. The first video we're gonna watch is to figure out how to jack up my car though. Because we don't know. I gotta be honest, I haven't ever jacked up this car. The last time I changed a tire, I've changed a tire before, but that was on my old car.
Oh.
And so.
Oh, I've changed a tire before.
Yeah.
Once.
So when I did that, I punched a hole in the bottom of my car.
It's not gonna go well.
Okay, so where it's gonna go under my car? Right here. This thing right here. Oh, see, it's gonna be one of those fun things you learn about my car is like the bottom's falling off.
Oh.
And,
Okay.
And like I'm missing part of my bumper.
Right.
And it's not just because I'm a bad driver. It's mostly because Tara's driveways is a monster.
Oh, it's my driveway's fault.
Your driveway is a beast.
That's true. That is a fact.
Okay. All right. Hey, sure, that's where I want. Ready? Yeah. Now we shake it.
We shake the car.
I think that's what it's doing. Car's jacked.
Car's jacked.
Now we have to watch and learn how to actually change the oil.
Oh, wait, there's more?
And that's it, we're done.
We're done. Oh, jeez. Next step.
How to change your oil.
I'm gonna link all the videos for you guys.
Oh, that's fine.
Just so you know.
We should do our intro like this for this one.
New intro now. Here's our new intro. Here's our new intro.
Okay, this next part, you have to get up under the car and find the drain plug on the oil pan. Now, it's important to find the one on the oil pan and not something else. And it's important to know that you're actually going to let the oil out of the car and not some other fluid that might be vital to something else. On these cars, it's nice because these aluminum pans usually have a cast.
Hopefully mine says engine oil on it. Wanna go find this?
Yeah, let's go find it. Okay.
Okay,
That's
so we gotta
enough.
find the oil filter and the oil nut thing. What was it called?
Drain plug. Boom.
GoPro camera 2.
It's a dance cam. Dance cam.
Let's go locate some stuff. Okay, all right, going under. Okay, I found the thing.
Wait, no, I want to go. I want to see.
Oh, okay. Don't touch the car.
Oh, God. I've already killed us. Okay.
This is the filter.
That's the filter?
Yeah. And this is that plug thingy. I don't see anything that says oil,
Yeah, it
but I'm
doesn't say-
pretty sure that's because it's got such a layer of gook on it. Look, and there's the sky. Let's
Okay,
get out.
let's go.
Okay. Shimmy.
Shimmy.
Go, go, go.
Don't touch the car. Oh my God, this is not what I should be doing with my life.
What's next, Eric? Found the thing.
But then you can just
Oh, Jesus.
unscrew the plug and let the oil out. Twist this, and it's going to come loose. Some oil may come
Look at all that oil
draining
coming
out at the same time.
Oh my God.
Okay, we're gonna do those 2 steps.
Okay. All right.
All right, we're gonna drain the oil,
Okay.
and then we're gonna take the filter off.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. We could do this.
Okay, so we're gonna try to go. I can't tell which way's clockwise right now. The clock is here. I'm gonna get covered in oil.
Oh,
right
jeez.
now.
Yeah.
Just mother. I get. Oh my goodness. Maybe it's the other direction.
Me.
No, that's the right way.
Who's the last person who changed your oil?
A professional. I don't have enough strength for this.
Like, do you more strength, want more help?
I got like a leg sticking up in the air. like that amount of torque is gonna help. It's like the whole weight of my body. I'm off the ground. All right, I'm gonna concede that I need a man. Justin, I can't turn.
You can't get it turned.
Oh, don't shake the car, honey. Please don't die.
We don't trust our jack job.
I feel better about not being able to do it now, though. Ah! Justin says I can just undo this with my fingers now. I was going the right way. This is gonna make a mess. Na, 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 na.
It's working! Look at that! Oh, this is a really bad angle on me. But look at that! The stream!
I wonder if the GoPro's picking this up. All right, let's not hang out under the car more than we need to.
Okay. You're like losing your mind already. We're so early on.
No, we're almost done.
We are?
Just gotta change this filter, that's all.
Really? That's it?
And then put more oil in it.
Oil in it.
I think this is the hard part. I can't tell which way is clockwise and counterclockwise. Right now, because I'm facing the other direction, I want to go counterclockwise.
Natalie has a lot
That's
of trouble.
clockwise.
Here's what you missed from earlier. We had a 30-minute conversation about clockwise and counterclockwise with Natalie.
Well, okay, it's not about counterclockwise and clockwise. It's people say lefty loosey, righty tighty. If you go to the left, eventually you go to the right. It's a circle.
This is my life.
We're gonna try to remove the filter now. Do you want to come down here, Tara?
I'm coming.
You don't see the stupid angle of me. This video sucks. So is the thingy here. The filter. This is the tool. You cap it on there, and then the wrench part fits straight into it. And you're able to turn it.
Okay.
But I don't know if I can, since I zip tied this thing up here, it's all in my way. It may not work out for us. We may have to get the other tool. I shouldn't have put this thing back. Oh! Justin's gonna kill me. It's only downhill from here. Like, I can't get an angle on it. Oh yeah, I need an extension. I've been
There's an extension.
Put it hot. All of my strength.
Do it. You got this. Hashtag women can too. Hashtag be the change. Hashtag
Be the change your own oil.
to be the change your own oil.
Oh wait. Yeah. Oh good.
I'm glad I've been working my arms out lately.
Right? But
yeah, it's not necessarily me.
No, it's
that it's slippery.
I don't even think that it's not just that the tool is slippery. It's that the. Let's try the other
one,
wrench thing.
the thing that zips on.
Yeah, because that seems like it's slipping on.
Yeah, it's slipping on. It's not gonna work.
I wonder if we can find a trick online.
Shall we check the internet?
Well, I mean, we're out of other things to do. Either that or give up.
Like if you do what you're saying to do, shoving the screwdriver
No, I don't think we can go. We don't have a side angle. There's no
I see what you're saying. Yeah, there's no real,
yeah.
There's only like one little gap and that's it. Okay, I see what you're saying.
To be able to get in there and hammer it into the side is the problem.
Yeah.
But there was one other tool. I don't remember what it was shaped like. I just remember that there was another tool. That shape maybe is something. Because this one, we can't use this one because it won't, like, it doesn't turn far enough to get the grip.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna go to AutoZone or one of those places, whatever I can find, and try to get a wrench, a filter cap wrench that like tightens as it goes.
We're clearly having trouble and we can't get it off, and we've tried everything,
including a boy.
Yeah. So it's the tools, not us, and we got to finish this because just doing this much is not a try.
I'm really upset right now. But what's new?
But hey, you're not mad at me, so
yet. I'm mad at Blair. This one!
Yay, they have what we need.
This is the other one. We got these. I don't think we have room for any.
No, we don't.
Oh, do you want this kind or this kind?
Oh, I don't know.
So getting our piece from AutoZone, guy was very helpful.
Oh, so nice.
Very end of it, he goes, "Can I ask why you're doing this yourself?" So
Why don't you just take it somewhere?
Why did you know they have people who do this?
Dude, who can pay to do this for you?
Oh,
Which, by the way, thank you so much,
yes.
dude at the auto place.
Thank you, dude at the auto place. AutoZone.
Got your name.
All right, we're back. We got the tool.
Get this little grippy one. It's adjustable and it's grippy.
This is kind of our last hope. We can't get it off with this.
We can't get it off. It gets wider, but it doesn't get smaller. No way! No. Yeah, it's now just sliding on here. It doesn't go on at all.
Do anything?
No. This makes me so mad. Okay, I'm giving up. I can't get it off.
It's not us.
I mean, we've done
Everything.
within our physical power.
Everything. Rubber bands. Butter knives.
Rubber band. We haven't tried hot glue yet, but
We haven't. Okay.
All right, we're just gonna put oil in my car. Here you go.
Oh, it's cheese and rice.
I mean, technically, I did change my oil.
Technically, you did
But
change it.
only my oil. Alright, okay, let's see. I check your dipstick. Throwing in the towel. I have like 20 towels I can throw in. I throw them all in. Well, we successfully changed my oil.
The oil is changed.
The filter is not. And it's seen better days. It's now in a different shape than it was before. Just gonna have to go get some professional to do that.
But we tried, and thank you, Eric, the car guy, for your instructional
and
video.
thank you, Blair, for this suggestion.
Oh, thank you, Blair.
You're our new favorite.
Thank you, Blair. We'll be taking your suggestions more often.
Yeah.
No, you're our favorite. It's fine. So that was fun, and this classic Natalie and Tara fail was brought to you by I'm Tara.
We should change the name. I'm Natalie, and this was Natalie and Tara fail at stuff.
Fair point.